Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic for all musicians out there, for bass guitarists or keyboardists who are finding some ways for them to resolve the conflict while practicing their rhythm and their groove. Then I believe 8downloads.com has one for you, and it's called JBeatbox. And today we're going to talk about how can we do a background music or a background loop using the JBeatbox. Of course, JBeatbox can be downloaded at 8downloads.com slash JBeatbox. Okay? And of course, primary requirement of this software is you have to have the latest Java for your Windows. Okay, so let's go to JBeatbox right now. So I think it's here. There you go. Now with JBeatbox, to make a good background loop or music, all you have to do is just go and experiment first with the drums and play the beat right there. Okay, so right now it's playing the beat at my background, and let's say I know how to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do is I'll just place another bass drum after the 4 counts. So there's 2 bass drums already, and then another one here, and this time I'm going to add an acoustic snare every 2 counts. So there you go. So that's how you can create a looping background music. You can even stop it, or you can even create a better one, like what I'm going to do right now. And let's lower down the speed. So there you go. So that's how you can create a background music on JBeatbox. On my next videos, I'll show you more advanced tricks. This is Chris again saying have a great day to all.